Hey there, good morning team. Welcome to the August 12th edition of the Monday Market Mortgage Update. Oh my gosh, such a mouthful. Welcome and thanks for joining me, your host, Sean Richard with Gateway Mortgage Group. And hope you had an incredible weekend and wanted to get the day kicked off with some fantastic market news. So last week was a bit of a roller coaster. We had all kinds of craziness happen last week, but a lot of positive movement in the mortgage bond market. Which, what does that mean? That means interest rates came down again last week. We saw a late week tick up, but overall we're still looking great. The big news right now today is the 10-year Treasury is actually down 7 basis points. Now, that usually has a pretty large correlation to what mortgage bonds are doing. We might normally see if the 10-year Treasury is down 7 basis points, we might normally see mortgage bonds up somewhere in the 15, 20, maybe even probably in the 15 to 20 basis point range. We're not seeing that big of a change on mortgage bonds today. Right now we're up 8 basis points, but hey, we will take it. That means we're moving in the right direction, and I think that the 10-year Treasury could hit its next floor of support, which could push mortgage bonds even higher, again bringing interest rates down. So we're moving in the right direction, and I think as we head into next year, the word on the street is that we're going to be moving into a recession. I think that could happen. We're seeing some of the indicators that lead up to that. So we'll keep an eye on everything. Great time to be refinancing if you or your clients that have closed recently, if they're not thinking about that, if they've closed in the last 18 months, maybe 24 months, it's definitely worth looking at. There's a lot of opportunity to save some money out there, and we can definitely help them do that. As for the news week this week, it's a pretty quiet week. The week's going to be dictated by most of the technical movement. So take a look at the charts, and if you've started to study them like I've been doing for the last number of years now, you'll hopefully start to see trends, patterns, and hopefully start to be able to read them with some of the insights that I provide you each week as well. But outside of that, have an incredible day. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you have comments or questions, you can leave them in the section below. You can check out the charts and the Twitter link above, and we're always happy to make sure that we're taking phenomenal care of you and any buyers that you have. Thanks so much, and have an incredible week. Bye.